Hey, what's up guys? Today I've got something super exciting for all the tech enthusiasts out there. Let's dive into Deepseek R1, the latest game changer in AI technology, and catch up on some of the top tech news you might have missed. First up, Deepseek R1. So, what makes this AI unique? Well, imagine an AI that can not only learn but adapt in real time. Deepseek R1 is designed with an advanced neural network that mimics human cognition. This means it can understand context, make decisions on the fly, and even predict future trends with uncanny accuracy. Now, why is this important? Picture this. Businesses leveraging Deepseek R1 to analyze massive data sets in seconds, or doctors using it to diagnose rare diseases with pinpoint precision. It's not just about automation anymore, it's about augmenting human capability. Alright, moving on to some key features of Deepseek R1. First, its ability to process natural language is unlike anything we've seen before. It's like chatting with a human who never gets tired or makes mistakes. Second, the adaptability. Deepseek R1 can integrate into almost any system, learning and evolving as it goes. Think about how revolutionary this can be for industries like finance, healthcare, and even education. It's like having an AI sidekick that grows smarter every day. And let's not forget security. Deepseek R1 is built with multiple layers of encryption and fail-safe protocols, ensuring that sensitive data stays safe and sound. Alright, now that you're up to speed with Deepseek R1, let's switch gears and highlight some of the top tech news you might have missed. First, Apple's latest AR glasses are creating quite a buzz. These glasses are set to revolutionize how we interact with the world, blending the digital with the real in a seamless experience. Imagine navigating through a city with real-time updates and virtual signposts guiding you. Next up, Tesla has unveiled their new battery technology that promises to extend the lifespan of electric vehicles. We're talking about cars that can run for over 1 million miles. This is a massive leap towards sustainable transportation. Lastly, quantum computing is making headlines again. Recent breakthroughs suggest we're closer than ever to achieving practical and scalable quantum computers. This could mean solving complex problems in minutes that would take today's supercomputers thousands of years. So there you have it, folks. Deepseek R1 is poised to transform the AI landscape, and the tech world is bustling with groundbreaking innovations. If you enjoyed this update, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for more tech news and reviews. Stay curious, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.